Welcome to Unity Agent Contact Center. This application is used by agents to manage incoming conversations, including tweets, web chats, emails and SMS, as well as incoming calls to the call center queues. At the top are the call control buttons. These help you answer and manage incoming calls, making it really easy to transfer and conference as required. On the left you have Unavailable, Available and Wrap Up ACD State buttons. These govern your availability for incoming calls and conversations. Below that is the Personal Wallboard. This will show the queues you are a member of and summary statistics. In this example, I'm a member of 3 queues: Car Shop Support, Car Shop Sales Media and Car Shop Sales. My statistics on the left will show your call and conversation stats for today. On the right-hand side, you can see overall queue statistics. To be able to receive calls, you must be joined to the queue. Just right-click and select Join. And your ACD state must be set to Available. You also cannot be in Do Not Disturb. You will be offered conversations on your media streams, regardless of your ACD status, as long as you are joined to the queue. The activity window in the middle of the interface is where you'll see all your incoming calls and conversations. Right now, we don't have any yet. The Contacts panel at the bottom shows up to 30 colleagues and their engaged or free status. If they are fellow agents, this will also show their ACD state. Here we've received a web chat coming in from a visitor on our website. It's coming in from Michael Smith, and Unity has identified him as a Salesforce contact. The To field shows which queue and media stream this conversation is from. To answer the conversation, just double-click and then reserve it. You're now connected to the visitor on the website with live chat. The left panel shows you their contact details and the web page they started the chat from. Canned replies are shortcuts to commonly asked questions, and they can also be personalized. In Resources, you'll find a library of assets you can share with a visitor. You can also add an attachment locally here. The History tab here shows all previous conversations with this visitor and allows you to open them up. If I look at this web chat, I can see the previous conversation and I can open any attachments as links. You can make a voice call with a visitor in just one click. If the visitor is already in your CRM system, the conversation will automatically be journaled into it. You also have the option to add an entry which will be placed into the CRM, as well as the transcript of this conversation. You can also transfer the conversation to a colleague and easily see whether they have Unity open and are joined to the queue, to ensure they are available to take the conversation. When the conversation is complete, click the Close button. You're now ready to take any other incoming calls and conversations, and can even take these concurrently, depending on how your administrator has configured the system. When you receive an email, just open and reserve it the same way as web chats and tweets. You'll see what the incoming email is about and be able to reply from within the platform. You also have the same access to Resources and automatic replies. When you're done, just press Send Email. Here's an incoming tweet. After reserving it, you can tweet a reply, send a direct message, or add an attachment. Again, you have access to the same canned replies and resources, and can tweet back directly from the platform. Once you've clicked Send, the tweet is gone and you can close the conversation. Here's an SMS coming in, and here's how to reply. We have received a callback request from a visitor on the website. To make the callback, reserve the conversation and then click the number to make the outbound call. If the remote party requests a call later, you can schedule this from within the conversation window. The Activity Logs tab gives you access to the last 30 conversations. You can open and share any of these as links. So, for example, if you have a hot lead, you can share this with your sales team. This is how you can use Unity Agent Contact Center to process multiple incoming conversations.